Hello everyone. Thank you for stopping by at ITBS Media. That's IT-BS Media. Today we want to consider this question: how to remove all unfilled rows in a table. This question was sent to me by one of the visitors to the channel who listened to how to remove lines from a table in Microsoft Word and wanted to know how, if the record is in 13579, how can the unfilled rows like row 2, row 4, row 6, and row 8 be removed. I will say that in Word document, Microsoft Word document does not have that functionality to delete or alternate rows, but there is a go around you can do, apart from the fact that you can write a code to do that, which I will not do in this video because it's not everyone that is tech savvy that can go into that. So I will limit this video to a very simple way, because the focus of this channel is to bring out simple ways people can go about their daily business with documents and get it done in a professional way. So if you have a record in Microsoft Word and you want to remove alternate rows, I will suggest you do this. Okay, let's first create a table. So let's create 8 columns and let's create 9 rows. Okay, so we have our table. Now let's populate the table. Okay, without wasting time, we just highlight this and copy it to alternate rows. Since we are just demonstrating to show that only these alternate rows have record in them. So this is row 1, this is row 3, this is row 5, this is row 7, and this is row 9. So we have this. So let's copy this. Let's copy the table. Like I said earlier, I will suggest you copy. You either right click and use the copy icon here, or on the alternative you press Ctrl C and copy the table. Then open a spreadsheet. So now here press Ctrl V and paste your table. So we have the table here right now. So what we need to do next is put our cursor out here in the next column here and write this simple formula. Row, open your parentheses and close it. We want to know what row is this. We want Excel to, and I press enter, and that tells me that is row 1. So I'll move this down. Now we have our row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to embellish, that is, make this formula more robust by using the mode function. Put this, and here put comma, which is the divisor, and put 2 and close your parentheses. So once you do this, what we are trying to do is we want to divide each row number by 2. Row 1, this is 1. If you divide it by 2, it won't have a 0 as your final answer. This one, if you divide it by 2, it will give you 2 divided by 2 is 0. This one will give you 0 and it will have a remainder. So anything that will have a remainder that will not be completely divided will give you 1. And the ones that are even will give you 0. So what you do is press Ctrl button and enter. See, it has given us 1 0 1 0 1 0. So the last thing we need to do on this page before we copy it out is to filter. So go to the sort and filter button and click on filter. So we want to filter the ones. The ones are the rows that we need, which is 1 3 5 7 9. So let's remove 0. So we uncheck 0. So here you have your 1 3 5 7 9 rows. So you can copy this row back, Ctrl C, and take it back to your Word document. So delete this and put back new row. So this is the row you need. This is your row. And if you need to put row number, you can just put your cursor here and go to Insert button and click Insert Row. Sorry, Insert Column. Insert column to the left. So you can now put your, if you like, you can label it 1, depending on how you want to use it, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So KB, your question is answered. So that's how you can do this. If it is originally in Excel, you don't need to transfer it, just do the filtering in Excel and you are good to go. That is all about how you can remove unfilled rows. Thank you for watching the video, and please do not forget to subscribe. If today is your first time of watching this channel, subscribe, like our video, and also share with your friends. And if you have been watching videos on this channel, do like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you. I'll see you again. If you have any other, if you have comments or you have a suggestion, you can also put it in the comments section. I'll see you next time. Thank you.